What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're installing a wood trunk. Alright guys, so first I'm going to be taking out the sub, and then I'm going to take out the carpet that's in here, lay it down on the wood so we can trace it out. Let's do it. Alright guys, we got the mat taken out of the trunk. Gonna go ahead, place it on top of the wood, and then we're gonna trace it out. Alright, we got the wood laid all down. This is not like a new wood kit. My dad, he had wood floors in his house, so I went and took some. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the mat. Gonna lay it down. We're gonna make sure it's even at the top, and we're gonna line it out. All right. Take our Sharpie, and we're gonna go at it. Voila! We have the outline. All right guys, we have the outline drawn. Can you guys see that? So now we're gonna go ahead, put each wood one by one on top of this stand, and we're gonna go ahead and cut it out. Let's get into it. All right, so let's move this down, and okay. Nope, don't want to separate it. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and I got it cut out. Look at that. I had to say that's pretty perfect. So while I was cutting the wood, that edge broke off right there. That edge broke off. And that tiny edge broke off. But it's all good. Let's go ahead and install inside the trunk. Alright guys, so I'm thinking I might not put the sub back in here because I'm trying to get rid of some weight. And I want a clean look, you know. So this water trap for my tank, I'm probably gonna mount it back there. And this right here, the management, I'm probably gonna mount it up there as well. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let me show you guys. Okay. Alright guys, I'm stuck because I had the compressor down here on with the stock mat, but now I'm wondering if I should put it up top and just drill it into the wood or what. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's see. Well, so far, look at that guys, it's looking real sexy. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright guys, here's a finished product. I hit all the wires, and only thing I'm going to do tomorrow when Home Depot is open up again, because closes early because of the freaking coronavirus, but when it reopens tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and get some long screws so I can drill the manifold and stick it up there, and the water trap, I'm going to go ahead and put it next to it, so the whole trunk is just going to be empty and open. And yeah, that's how you do a wood chunk install. I'm just gonna go to wipe it down, make it look all clean, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. It looks so clean, guys. But yeah, there you guys go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Alright, there you guys have it, a little easy weekend project. If you guys like what you guys see and you guys want to know more, go ahead, just leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and until then